Hello guys, we will see the working of music forum web page using Firebase database and Express framework and password hashing. This JavaScript code is for a basic web application using the Express.js framework, Firebase for authentication, and password hashing. The application allows users to sign up and log in and has several routes for different pages. Firstly, the code begins by importing necessary Node.js modules and external libraries like Express, Firebase admin, and password hash. It sets up an Express application specified at the port 3000 and configures the application to use body parser for parsing JSON and URL encoded data. VJS is set as the view engine for rendering HTML templates. Firebase authentication initialization. Firebase admin is initialized with a service account key, establishing a connection to Firebase services. Serving static files. The application serves static CSS files from the Bootstrap library located in the node modules directory. This is the directory. Routes. Several routes are defined for different pages, such as for dashboard, for sign up and login, for piano.html, for guitar.html, and playback.html. When a user accesses these routes, the server sends the corresponding HTML file located in the server's directory. This is the code for user signup. When a user submits the signup form on the /signup submit route, the server handles the post request. It retrieves the user's full name, email, and password from the request body. It hashes the password using the password hash library. It checks if an account with the given email address already exists in the user demo collection in the Firebase Firestore. If not, it adds the user's information to the collection. User login code. When a user submits the login form on the login submit route, the server handles the post request. It retrieves the user's email and password from the request body. It checks if a user with the given email ID exists in the user demo collection. If the user exists, it compares the hashed password from the form with the stored hashed password. If they match, the user is redirected to the dashboard page. Otherwise, an error message is sent. We can start the server by the application starts listening on port 3000 and a message is logged on to the console to indicate that the server is running. So let's start the server. We have to give the name, an email, password. We have to give the same email and password from the last page. So this is our dashboard, and this is the page for piano related queries. As this is a music forum website, we can find the queries for music related, for guitar related queries, music production related, for playback singing queries. All these are accordions, so for particular question we can find the answer in this website. And we'll see the Firebase admin. This is the mail we have given. This is the email and full name and the password. This is hashed password, so for some security reasons we cannot show password to anyone. And this is the page for login. This is a basic HTML code for taking input, so not the login. This is the dashboard. This is the code for sign up page. It has a form for taking input details from the user, and this is the code for login page. This also contains a form for inputting the user details. This is the key.json file. It has the private key for Firebase admin, and this is the main server.json file we have run before. And finally, this code setups a basic web application with user registration and login functionality using Express and Firebase. It serves static files, handles form submissions, and interacts with a Firebase Firestore database to manage user accounts. That's it.